Today, we're diving into a full review of the P1 Duo 4K dash cam front and rear, an advanced dual dash cam that promises top-notch clarity, smart features, and reliable safety. First off, let's talk about the camera quality. The front camera captures in impressive 4K resolution with a wide 170-degree angle, while the rear camera records in 1080p with a 150-degree view. Together, they provide an expansive view of the road and capture detailed evidence, ideal for commuters and road trippers alike. To learn more about this dash cam, check out the link in the description below. One standout feature is the built-in Wi-Fi and Pelsi Cam app. This lets you preview, download, and even edit footage directly from your smartphone, making it easy to share clips with friends or for insurance. The voice-activated control is also a game-changer, allowing hands-free operation to start recording, take photos, or lock footage with a simple command. This adds a layer of safety by keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Click the link in the description for more on its unique features. Night driving? The P1 Duo's superior night vision captures crisp details like license plates and road signs in low light, minimizing glare and distortion. Plus, the 24-hour parking mode and G-sensor ensure round-the-clock surveillance by locking in footage in case of impacts or collisions when you're parked. This dash cam truly stands out for security-conscious drivers looking for peace of mind. So, if you're after a high-quality dash cam with smart controls and exceptional night vision, the P1 Duo 4K dash cam is a strong contender that combines value and quality. For testimonials and more user reviews, visit the affiliate link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and click the link to enjoy an exclusive guarantee and quick delivery.